Kate here with WTI, and if you're ready to travel in style, check out this 4-piece luggage set from Track Travel. So not only is it in this gorgeous blue color, I love the finish on this, but it comes with 4 different size bags. As a family of 4, this gives us ample room to pack all of our things for even the 2-week trip. There's so much space. So every single size has the same features, so you're getting that attention to detail in every single one. So of course it has a TSA approved lock, which is awesome. When you're traveling through an airport, you can lock up your things. It has an expander, so if you need just a little bit more room, you can open up that extra zip and give yourself some extra space. It's a hard shell. I love that. I feel like my stuff inside is protected. It has a handle on the top as well as a handle on the side. And of course, the extendable pull handle at the top. Now, this luggage set glides like a dream. It goes over all surfaces. There's no effort. It has an incredible 360 swivel. It just breezes through the airport. If you decide to lay it on its side, it has little feet, so it's not resting directly on the ground. So overall, I'm so happy with this set. It travels very well. It covers all of our needs. So if you're in the market for luggage, this is a great option, and that's my point of view.